This video demonstrates how to set up the electronic poll book units. Begin by removing the electronic poll books from the cart. Remove the electronic poll book units from their black protective sleeves and place them approximately 1 foot apart on the table. Remove all cords and cables from the plastic supply bag and place on the table. Please take note, all connections and cords used in the electronic poll book setup are color-coded with tape. For each electronic poll book, or EPB, plug the power cord marked with the red tape into the round port on the right side of the unit, which is also marked with the red tape. Plug the cords into the power strip and plug the power strip into a wall outlet. If your precinct will use 2 electronic poll books, use the following instructions. Locate the crossover network cable, which is a gray or red cable marked with the yellow tape on each end. Plug one end of the cable into the network port on the left side of the first unit, which is also marked with yellow tape. Plug the other end of the cable into the network port on the second unit, marked with the yellow tape. This will connect the 2 laptops. If your precinct will use 3 or more electronic poll books, please use the following instructions. Locate the black network switch box and power cable. Plug the power adapter marked with the white tape into the side of the switch, also marked with the white tape. Plug the other end of the power adapter into the power strip. Locate the network patch cables, which are blue cords marked with yellow and green tape. For each EPB, plug one cable's yellow end into the network port on the left side of the unit, also marked with the yellow tape. The other end of each cable is marked with the green tape. Plug the green end into the network switch box, marked with green tape. A hint: the green marked cables can be plugged into the switch at any open port and in any order. These remaining steps are the same for all electronic poll book unit setups. On the right side of each EPB, plug the mouse cord marked with blue tape into the bottom USB port, also marked with blue tape. Locate and remove the USB flash drive with the orange body, which is taped to each laptop. Open the laptop and identify if it is an A, B, or C labeled electronic poll book. Rotate the metal cover so that the USB connector is exposed. On the left side of the EPB, insert the USB flash drive into the USB port marked with the orange tape. The flash drive label that says Fairfax County Office of Elections must be facing up. Important: the A flash drive with the red tag must go into the A laptop. The B flash drive with the blue tag must go into the B laptop, and the C flash drive with the green tag must go into the C laptop. Check all connections. Be sure the EPBs are plugged into the power strip and that the power strip is turned on. Make sure all cords are neat, secure, and out of the way of election workers and voters. You are now ready to begin Step 2. Power up the electronic poll book and log on. This concludes this training segment. This video will demonstrate how to disassemble the electronic poll book units and prepare them for transport. Once you have turned off your electronic poll books and they show a black screen, remove the USB flash drive from the side of each unit and place them in envelope number 2. Unplug and remove all network cables. Unplug the power cords and the computer mouse. Remove and return all cords and plugs to the plastic supply bag. Place each electronic poll book into its black protective sleeve. Check the area for any remaining peripherals. Return all items to the plastic bag. Place the EPB units and the plastic supply bag in the precinct cart. The electronic poll books are now ready for transport. This concludes this training segment.